Hi all, let's see head element in HTML. In previous video we already saw head element basic. Now let's see the elements which can use inside head element. The head element is a container for metadata and resource links which are related to the document. The informations which are inside head element is not directly displayed on the web page, but it's essential for page functionality and structure. Inside head element we can add document title, metadata, external style sheets or script files or internal styles and favicon. Let's see practically. Let's see document title first. In previous video we saw iframe example. Let's use that same example. Inside head section we already added title element. This title element value will display in browser tab. Let's check it in browser. See here, this title element not only display the title in browser tab, but it's also used by search engines to decide the order when listing pages in search results. And also you can see an image near to this title. This is a default image when HTML page is displayed in browser. You can also change this, and this small image we will call it as favicon. Let's change this favicon. And here inside our image folder kept favicon file. Mostly the favicon file having ICO extension, so that converted PNG file into ICO file and kept here. Let's add this inside head element. By using link element we can add favicon, href, images, favicon file, and we have to mention the relationship to the linked document, icon file. Let's save. Let's go to browser. Let's refresh. See, the favicon changed successfully. We saw document title and favicon. Now let's see metadata. The metadata information will not display on the page, but it's used by the browser. Inside meta element we can define character set, keywords for search engine, page description, author of the page, viewport settings, etc. Let's see practically. Let's go back to VS Code. First let's see character set. For adding character set we have to use meta element, meta, then character set, UTF-8. This tag specifies the character encoding for HTML document. That means it tells the browser to use UTF-8 encoding, which supports virtually all the characters including special symbols, emojis and non-Latin scripts. Non-Latin script means Arabic, Chinese, Hindi, etc. Let's add hello world in Chinese and one emoji. Let's say, let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, so all kinds of scripts, emojis will supported by this character encoding. By default in HTML5 character set is UTF-8 only. So if you not mention character set in head section, by default HTML5 document will support all the character sets. Now let's see what's the use of adding viewport inside head element. Viewport adjusts the page content to fit different screen sizes, for example desktop, tablet, mobile, etc. Let's see practically. Let's add viewport in our HTML file. Inside head element we have to add, for adding viewport we have to use meta element, the name should be viewport, then we have to specify the content. Inside content attribute we have to specify width and initial scale. We'll explain this. Width is equal to device hyphen width, then initial scale 1.0. Let's close. Here we assigned width is equal to device hyphen width. That means it's match the page content width to device screen width, and here we initialize initial scale is equal to 1.0. That means it sets the initial zoom level to 100%. And inside the body element just added an image and one paragraph. Now let's check it in browser. See, here is our page content. Now let's check the page content in different screen sizes. For that right click on it, click inspect, and here you can see one device icon. Click on it. By holding this icon you can change different screen sizes and check the page content like this. And also here we provided a viewport so that the page content fit into the screen neatly, and we no need to zoom the content and check. Now let's remove viewport and check. Let's go to VS Code. Let's remove this viewport. Let's save. Let's go to browser. Let's refresh. See, the page content not fit into the screen. And also by using Bootstrap or CSS media query, we can make the page responsive to all the devices that we will see in our upcoming videos. Like viewport, we can also add a keyword using meta element. Let's see. Meta name is equal to keywords. We'll explain this. Inside content attribute, we have to provide the keywords related to our page. We have to provide the keywords inside content attribute by comma separated. Our page is related to HTML, CSS, then JavaScript. If your website related to any business or travel or education, means you have to provide the keywords related to your website inside content attribute of meta keyword element. These keywords are primarily used by search engines to understand and index our website in Google, Yahoo, etc. And also by using meta description element, we can provide the description of the page, for example summary of the page. And in our previous videos, we already saw how to insert external style sheets and script files inside head element, along with how to add internal styling inside head element. Please check that. In our next video, we will see HTML layout elements. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.